Premium teachers can now create sections of content and questions within Formative. To get started, begin by clicking the blue plus to add a question or content item. Then, under Layout, select Add a Section. To rename the section, click the title and you can rename the section title. You can now add questions or content items as normal. To create another section, simply repeat the previous steps to add a separate section. To copy or duplicate a section, click the three-dot menu next to the section title and select Duplicate Section. The section will then be duplicated along with the questions inside. To delete a section, you can use the three-dot menu next to the title of the section, and then select Delete Section. Note that if you later decide to restore the section you deleted, you must create a new section and then use the three-dot menu in the top right-hand corner to restore the individual questions from the prior section.